Now Weezy and Pigeon Vision. It's the collab nobody asked for, but what you guys needed. Let's fucking go, baby! Let's go! Let's rip it!
And why do you want to join the Bop House?
I mean, come on, look at the material.
Oh, 360?
I guess this was just leaked. And I just have one question. Am I supposed to be embarrassed? Like, what the fuck? Like, okay, and I was sexy as fuck then. I'm sexy as fuck now.